Hey everyone, this is question 6 of the multiple choice section of the 2018 software development exam. So we've got a pseudocode problem here. So we need to follow this algorithm and then give us the answer of what our array is going to turn out to be. So I highly recommend, if you do this exam question, to draw all over your exam paper, because there's going to be changing values for A, B, C, D, and it's kind of hard to keep track of that value at that particular time. So we'll begin with our algorithm. So we'll go down with our begin array equals this. So we've initialized our array. In this comment here, just pay attention that the index does start at 1. So what that means is, so normally our arrays start at 0. That happens with the vast majority of programming languages. So normally we count the different elements in our array like this, so on. But for this exam, for this question, our indexes look like this. So if it doesn't say indexes start at 1, just assume that indexes start at 0, but they've mentioned it here. So first off, we're going to assign values to A and B. So now A equals array 1, which is 3, and B equals array 2, which is 5. So I'm going to do a bit of different colors because we're now at our while loop, which is going to repeat, and while B is less than 3 times A. So what I'm going to do here is that we're assigning things here. So I'm just going to do, because as it changes, these are going to be different values as each time we loop, each time we repeat. So first off, I might make this a pink color. So while B, so B right now is 5, is less than 3 times A. 3 times A is 9, so is 5 less than 9? Yes it is, that's true. So that's true, so we're going to go through these 3 steps. C is now equal to A times B. A times B is 15. A is A minus 1. A is 3, so minus that is 2. And B. So B is B plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So I'm going to change my color now because I've done my first iteration. I might change it to a blue color. So we're going to check this condition. So is B less than 3 times A? So B is now 7, and 3 times A is 6. So is 7 less than 6? No, it's not anymore. So this one is now false, and we stop doing our 3 steps because our condition in the while loop is false. So we're going to stop it now. These are the final answers for our ABC. Now we look at our array values. So we're assigning new things to our array. So I'm going to do this in the brown color now. So our new array is going to look like the first element is going to be A, which is our latest value of A, that's 2. So if we're doing multiple choice, if you want to do this quickly, just have a quick look at which ones don't have our first element as 2. So that one's out, that one's out. So we still got 2 left, so we need to do a bit more work. array to the second element in our array, that is the new value of b, which is 7. So these two still haven't been eliminated yet, so we need to check out what our latest value of c is before we can continue. So our latest value of c is 15. And nothing else in our array gets changed, so we just assume we've got 2 more zeros, and that's what the rest of our array looks like. So now we can eliminate 14, the 2, 7, 14, because that's not what we worked out. So that leaves us with the final answer of D, 2, 7, 15, 0, 0.